To all the hardworking students out there, I want to applaud your unwavering dedication and perseverance. Balancing the demands of work and studies is no small feat, and yet you continue to push forward with unwavering determination. I want you to know that your commitment does not go unnoticed. Each day, as you tackle your responsibilities, you are building invaluable skills that will serve you well in the future. The ability to manage your time effectively, prioritize tasks, and overcome challenges is setting you up for success. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. Reach out for support when needed, and remember to take breaks and prioritize self-care. Your hard work and resilience are truly remarkable, and I encourage you to keep going, stay focused, and never lose sight of your goals. You are capable of achieving incredible things, and the sacrifices you are making now will undoubtedly pay off in the long run. It is essential to recognize the tremendous strength and resilience that you possess as a working student. Balancing the responsibilities of work and education is no small feat, and yet you continue to persevere with grace and determination. It is important to remember to take care of yourself along the way. Prioritize self-care, seek support from friends and family, and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Take breaks when needed and engage in activities that rejuvenate your mind and body. Believe in yourself and the path you have chosen. Your hard work, dedication, and sacrifices are not in vain. They will shape a future filled with opportunities and success. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth, and remember that you are capable of overcoming any obstacle that comes your way. You are an inspiration to those around you, showing them that it is possible to chase their dreams while managing responsibilities. Your journey as a working student is making a lasting impact, and your perseverance will undoubtedly lead to a brighter future. Never underestimate the profound impact of your journey as a working student. Your dedication and determination inspire those around you. By managing work and studies simultaneously, you set an example for others, demonstrating that it is possible to pursue your dreams while fulfilling responsibilities. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Each obstacle you overcome is a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Take pride in your accomplishments and recognize the incredible potential within you. Your unwavering perseverance and work ethic will undoubtedly lead you to the success you deserve. Keep pushing forward, keep striving for excellence, and never lose sight of the incredible strength and determination that resides within you. You are on a path towards greatness, and I wholeheartedly encourage you to continue pursuing your dreams with unwavering tenacity. Looking for a daily dose of inspiration and motivation? Look no further. Subscribe to my YouTube channel dedicated to all things motivational and join a community of like-minded individuals on a journey towards personal growth and success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your life one video at a time. Hit that subscribe button now.